Hi everyone. Recording eyes with a camera sounds simple, but in real life it's hard. Hands shake, people move, the camera distance changes, and suddenly the eyes are difficult to follow. So we created EyeStabilizer, a professional smartphone app with one simple purpose: record a face and receive a perfectly stabilized video of the eyes. No matter if you move, shake, or change distance, you can always watch the eyes in full quality. This lets you recognize even the smallest of movements. Our tailored algorithms keep what matters most, the eyes, in focus, and reduces the file size by up to 90% when compared to a standard camera recording. And all of that happens directly on the device. No video data is shared unless you want to. EyeStabilizer makes recording eyes easier, clearer, and more convenient than ever before.